Top 5 apps like TCGplayercom review that actually work today. TCGplayercom is a go-to for trading card enthusiasts, but most people get this wrong by thinking it's the only platform to buy, sell, or track card collections. The surprising truth is there are several apps that provide similar or even better features. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Card Market. Popular in Europe, it allows users to buy and sell trading cards across multiple games. Users praise its secure payments and wide selection. Second, Goldfish. While mostly for Magic: The Gathering, it offers detailed card pricing, deck building, and market tracking. Customers love the in-depth analytics. Third, Deckbox. Tracks collections and trades while offering a marketplace for buying and selling cards. Users highlight its simple interface and easy inventory management. Fourth, Card Castle. A mobile-friendly platform focused on quick trades and auctions. Users appreciate instant updates and notifications. Finally, DS Player Pro. For professional sellers, it integrates inventory management, pricing tools, and sales analytics. Users report faster sales and better market insights. Pro tip: combine these apps with TCGplayercom to compare prices, track trends, and avoid overpaying. Regular monitoring ensures you get the best deals while maintaining your collection. These 5 apps give collectors and sellers a smarter, more efficient way to engage with trading cards beyond a single platform. Whether you're a casual collector or a serious seller, these tools can make your trading experience smoother and more profitable.